Hey, what's up everyone, SHB here. So prior to the official announcement, the Pixel 7 Pro was again leaked with some hands-on and benchmark scores showing us the capability of the new Tensor chipset and how strong it holds against its competition. And we also have got some hands-on video from the Bangladeshi retailer around a month ago, and today the same person have posted a detailed look of the Pixel 7 Pro. He has also run some of the benchmarks apps like Geekbench and Antutu, where the device got score of around 1054 single core and 3183 multi-core score on the Geekbench and over 800,000 in the Antutu benchmarks, which is a great improvement from the last gen Pixel devices. But it is nowhere near to its competition like Samsung and Apple, which can easily score over a million on this test. But we also know we cannot judge a device by only its benchmark, but we have to wait and see how the overall software experience is going to be. Even I can say most of the regular user cannot even tell the difference between a 8th gen device and a Tensor device. The camera is also expected to be really great on this device, and I hope it will set a photography benchmark for all the devices this year as well. The pricing of the Pixel 7 Pro is also out and has not been changed from the last year. The European pricing is also here and it looks good. Some official images of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro cases are also out, and here you can see the first look of the devices with the case on. The images of Pixel Watch are also here. You can see the look of the device. It looks good except the fact that the bezels are little thick. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.